This is going to be a video tutorial on how to edit a PDF using the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Let me jump over to Firefox here. Okay, I got the Firefox web browser opened up now. With the most recent update to the Firefox web browser, you can now edit PDFs. You can sign PDFs, add comments to PDFs right within the Firefox web browser. The way that you do that, first thing you want to open the PDF in Firefox. Easiest way to do that, I have a PDF in a folder here, and I'm going to press down the left mouse button. I'm going to drag it across. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button to where I'm dropping it right into the browser. And now as you can see, it has opened that PDF within the browser here. Up along the top up here, at the very top, you have a zoom functions. You could click the plus to zoom in. You could click the minus to back up. Off to the right up here, you have some icons up here. The very first icon, you can print this PDF from right here in Firefox. You could click on the print. The second icon, you can save the PDF. If you make changes to the PDF, you could save it from right here. The third icon is a text tool. If you click on this, you could add text to the PDF. The next icon is a draw icon. You can draw your signature if you want to add a signature, or you could draw whatever you want on the PDF. Next to that, you have some arrows. If you click the arrows, you have a little drop down here. Sometimes PDFs will be sideways or something. You could click on rotate clockwise or rotate counterclockwise. I'm going to click on rotate clockwise. And you can see it rotated my PDF. If I wanted to save it like that, I'd just go up to the save icon, click on save. I'm going to click on counterclockwise. Then down here you got the text selection tool, hand tool, page scrolling tools, odd spreads, even spreads. But say that I wanted to sign this PDF here. Say I wanted to sign this PDF right down here. It says, please sign below. I could either sign it using the text tool or the signature tool. I'm going to click on the draw tool here to add my signature. A box will appear. It's asking me what color do I want my signature. I'm going to leave it black, but if you wanted to change the color, you just click on this box here, and a color box will open on the upper left side of your browser up here. From here, you could select a different color if you wanted. You could add an RGB color. You could add custom colors if you wanted to click on this button right here. I'm going to leave it on black, though. I'm just going to close this. Now I'm going to go down to where I want to sign. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and I'm going to do my best to sign this. Looks good enough. And now I can go back up to the upper right side to where you see the thickness. I can move this slider to add more thickness to my signature that I just wrote. Or I could reduce the opacity. I can drag the slider down to reduce the opacity a little bit. Another thing you can do is you could use the text tool here. I'm going to click on the text tool and say I want to add some, say instead of adding my signature with the pen tool there, say that I wanted to add it with the text tool. I just need to click in the area where I want to add the signature and then start typing. There is my name. Now I can go back over to the upper right hand corner and I can increase the size of that text that I just wrote. Say that I want it about like that size. I can move it around. You just got to grab the outer box area and you can move it all around. You can move it wherever you want. And the same goes with the signature. You can move it wherever you want. Say that I want this signature. And then when you're all done, all you need to do is go up to the second icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it will say save. I'm going to click on save. A dialog box will open up asking me where do I want to save this. I'm going to choose a destination. You can change the file name if you want. I'm going to leave mine the same. I'm just going to overwrite the original PDF, and I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to click on Save again. It's asking me, do I want to override this PDF? Yes, because I want to add my signature to it. Now if I reopen that PDF, I'm going to double click on this and just open it in Acrobat just to show you that it saved those changes. And there's my signatures right there. I got my handwritten signature there. And I have my, I typed out my signature here. But that is how to edit a PDF using the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.